Hi, my name is Erica, and every month our group of talented scrappers get together for Off the Board, geared to get our Pinterest pins off of our boards by actually using them. This month we're using the sketch. For the horizontal bar, instead, I'm going to use a gradient of horizontal paper strips, and for the large back layering piece, I will use black cardstock for some lovely contrast. I'm starting off by cutting my beautiful new Sunkissed collection papers from Cocoa Vanilla into 1-inch strips and distressing the heck out of them. To be honest, I put off buying a distressor for the longest time because I really try my best to get creative with what I already have and also minimize the waste I create. But I have to admit the purchase was worth it. It's pretty satisfying to dig into the paper to rough it up, although my shirt always ends up looking like I've been through a snowstorm. I folded my strips into a U shape. I've seen this look online and it's always intrigued me. I laid down my strips first just to secure their spots and glued them down using my red top glue, which has awesome hold and a fine line. Next, I am sewing a simple stitched border with white thread around my black cardstock. I felt that I needed a little bit extra, a little bit something else, and this adds just another component of lovely texture. I am making sure to sew underneath my paper strips as well when inspiration strikes. Why not sew some journaling lines? I've never done that before. Why the heck not? So now I'm taking my photos of my kiddo when she was 3 months old, napping with my doggy Cheetles. She unfortunately passed in January, but she absolutely loved babies, so I was so excited to have been able to introduce her to her before she passed. Now I'm just laying some ephemera down. A quick and easy way to make a layout cohesive. A little bit of a shortcut is to match the ephemera with the background piece of paper. As you can see, they match. And here I'm just fussy blading out some supporting elements, my supporting cast, if you will, and the title, which will read "Cheers to the Weekend," since they are napping on a weekend afternoon. And I do mount this with foam adhesive tape along with some of the ephemera, and I'm loving the variation in dimensions with the layers, and it's just so yummy. Lastly, I'm adding some of these beautiful clouds as well as this chillin' up above, and I am journaling in white gel ink because I originally was going to type it out, but I felt that the white ink would give it a bit more pop. Lastly, some finishing touches with these cute little hearts, and that pretty much wraps it up. I did feel that it needed a little bit more around the edges, so I did freehand just this quick black doodled border. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope you check out everybody else participating for this month. Send them some love, and I hope this inspired you most of all. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.